odd one. Okay, there may be different types of problems finding the odd word, odd word pair, odd letter, odd numeral pair, like that. Here we are going with the word. Oil is the odd man out. Next thing, pistol, sword, rifle, cannon, gun. Okay, only sword we need nearby approach. Okay, other things we can operate from a distance on the enemy. Now odd word pair. Odd word pair. Blacksmith, anvil, carpenter, saw, barber, scissor, goldsmith, ornaments, and sculptor, chisel. And we have the equipment used by the person. Okay, but here you can see goldsmith, ornament is not the equipment. Okay, ornament is the material on which he will operate. So goldsmith, ornaments is the odd pair. Second one, painter, gallery. Painter, he will paint and bring out a new design in the gallery. Actor, stage, mason, wall, farmer, field, and worker, factory, which is the odd man out pair. Odd man out pair. So here mason and wall is the odd man out. Next, finding the odd letter group. Odd letter group, you can see B, D. Okay, I, K, P, N, S, U, Y, W. You can see B, D, they are alternate terms. C is missing in between. I, K, J is missing in between. O, P, Q, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Okay, M, N, O, P. So this is not the flow. P, N is not the flow. Next, SU means S, T, U, R, S, T, U. T is missing here. Alternate terms is satisfied. W, X, Y. Okay, X is missing here. W, Y is present. All of them satisfy a common logic. Okay, but Pn is not satisfying. So Pn is the odd man out. Next is BCD, continuous letters. K, L, M, N should come. K, L. Okay, yeah, it is missing. O, P, Q, R, S. It is continuous. E, F, G, H, I, continuous. W, X, Y, Z. It is continuous. Only K, M, N is not following the sequence in alphabets. So KMN is the odd letter group. Next, finding the odd numeral. Finding the odd numeral, you can see 12 is present, 25, 37, 49, 57. So composite number, prime number we have. Okay, 37 is a prime number which have factors only 1 and the number itself. All other numbers are composite. Okay, because many factors are there other than 1 and the number itself. Many other factors are there. So only 37 is the prime number, odd man out. Next we have 751, 734, 981, 853, 532. You can see 532 composite and 981 also composite. It has many factors other than 1 and number itself. 734 composite number. Only 751 and 853. One of these two should be odd man out. 751 or 853. It may be prime number. We have to try and see whether factors available or not. 853, there may be factors. 19 or 17. Okay, something like that. You can check something like that. We will have factors for 853. Okay, 751 is the prime number, odd man out. Now, odd numeral pair. Odd numeral pair. You can see 83, 75, 58, 50, 49, 42, 25, 70. Which pair is odd man out? And here 83 minus 75 is 8. Difference is 8. 58 minus 50, difference is 8. 49 minus 42, difference is not 8. 25, 17, difference is 8. Okay, so C is the odd man out. Difference 8 is not maintained. Next we have 70, 80. Next pair 54, 62. 28, 32. 21, 24. Okay. You can see 21, 24 have a common factor 3. Okay. 70, 80 have a common factor 10. 54, 62 have a common factor 4. No, it is not 4. 62 is not divisible by 4. Okay, we don't have any common factor in this 54, 62. But 28, 32, it has a common factor 4. So option B is the odd man out. 5462 is the odd man out. Okay, others, they have a common factor. 21, 24, common factor 3. 28, 32, commonly divisible by 4. 70, 80, commonly divisible by 10. Okay, they have a common factor, except option B. Next, choose the word which is least like the other words. Odd man out. Zebra, lion, tiger, horse. Okay. So first three are wild animals in forest. Horse is not such a thing. Zebra not exactly wild, but sometimes. So horse is the exact pet animal, not a wild animal. Next set, choose the word which is least like the other words. Odd man out. Baking, peel, fry, boil. Okay. All the except peel, all other things need heat. Okay, all other things need heat. Baking, it needs heat. Frying or boiling, it needs heat. But peeling, it is not depending on heat. So peel means removing the skin. Okay, of carrot or cucumber, something like that. So peel is the odd man out. Choose the word which is least like the other words. Cathedral, mosque, temple, monastery. So first three are worship places. Cathedral, mosque, temple, worship places. But monastery is like a museum where the very age old, okay, things are kept. It is like a museum. So monastery is the odd man out. Next, here in this set, find the odd pair of words. Cow, calf, dog, bitch, lion, cub, insect, larva. Okay. So cow, small cow is called calf. Lion, dog, small dog is called a puppy or pup. Lion, it is cub. But here option B, it is wrong. Dog, bitch is written. Okay, option B is wrong. Insect, larva is correct. Okay, insect will come out from the basic thing, larva. And the dog, bitch is the wrong odd man out pair. Now choose the odd pair. Odd pair, time, seconds, length, meter, resistance, ohm, pressure, barometer. Okay. Now you can see time is measured in seconds, it is correct. Length is measured in meters, correct. Resistance is measured in ohms, correct. Pressure is measured in Hg is the parameter. Hg is the parameter, expansion I don't remember. Capital H, small z. Okay. Barometer is the instrument, but it is not the unit. So option D is the odd man out pair. Next is choose the odd pair of words. Sprinkle, pour, happiness, merriment, mist, fog, sad, unhappy. Which is odd man out? Which is odd man out? Okay. Happiness, merriment, sad, unhappy, mist, fog. So sprinkle, pour is the odd man out of this. Choose the number which is different from others in the group. You can see choose the numbers which is different from others in the group. We have 13, 17, 23, 63, 71. Okay. 13 is a prime number. 17 also prime number, which means 1 and the number itself are the factors. 23 is a prime number. 63 is not prime number because 3 is a factor, 9 is a factor, 7 is a factor for 63. Okay, it is not a prime number. 71 is a prime number. 1 and the number itself are the only factors. That is called prime number. So option D is the odd man out, different from others. Next one, choose the number pair or group which is different from others. Number pair or group which is different from others. So 50, 66, different from others. We have to be careful, different from others. 32, 48, 64, 80, 63, 77. Okay. If you add 16, 50 will become 66. If you add 16, 32 will become 48. If you add 16, 64 will become 80. But 16 addition, 63 should become 79, but not 77. Option D is not following the logic. Okay. Here, choose the number pair or group which is different from others. Choose the number pair or group which is different from others. You can see first two, you can see 2 square plus 1 square is nothing but 5, center number. Okay. Next one, 4 square plus 2 square, 16 plus 4, center number 20 will come. Next, 6 square is 36 and 5 square is 25. 36 plus 25, it is exactly 61. But here 4 square 16 plus 3 square 9, it should be 25 but 17. Option D is not following the logic. On either side, numbers should be squared and added, then the center number should come. Okay, on either side, numbers should be squared and added, center number will come.